Here's everything you need to know about the 2026 Chevy Silverado EV Trail Boss in just 5 minutes. Now, in case you ain't 6'10" like me and you need a little assistance getting in your pickup truck, you got step ladders that are big enough for you to sit on like I'm doing right now, and you even got keyless entry on all 4 doors of this pickup truck. Not only do we got an illuminating LED light bar that stretches across the entire front fascia of this whip, but we also got an illuminating Chevy logo and LED headlights and taillights to match, along with these legendary red tow hooks, baby. Now, the starting price for your 2026 Chevy Silverado EV is gonna run you about $87,000. But if you want all the bells and whistles like the Trail Boss we got, that's gonna run you about $94 of them things. Now, under the hood, we got a front trunk, because this joint is just a pure EV pickup truck. But we got 725 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque, giving you 478 miles of pure electric range and understanding. Now, not only does this front trunk got enough space to fit me in it, but we also got an LED light, charging cables, house-inspired plug, 2 cup holders, and an air compressor, man. Now, when it comes to everyday comfort and drivability, you got the comfort, and you most definitely got the practicality, and you got the looks, and you got the range in this joint, because this joint gets almost 500 miles of pure electric range. Now, we got 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds, which I ain't gonna lie, is pretty impressive for a pickup truck. We got 18-inch rims on all 4 corners, and them tires look real good, but if you wanna make your tire and rim setup look better, make sure you get that Barrett's Automotive Magic Tire Shake by clicking that link below in the description. At my height of 6'10", I got abundant headroom and legroom in the front and back seat, and that's also with the front seat set for me driving, or in the front seat passenger riding like a passenger king. Now, in the actual trunk bed itself, you got a ton of space, but you got these cargo dividers right here in case you want to have some storage that's not sliding all around and you want to keep that joint extra secure. But you also got LED lights, tie-down hooks, 4 cup holders, a hidden storage compartment under your 4 house-inspired plugs, and a 240-volt charger. And you even got a kicker sound system integrated within the tailgate, so that way you can set the mood and vibe whenever you want. Now, these seats are top-level comfortable up in here, adding to that practicality, but they also look good if you ask me. But you can make them look even better if you get that Barrett's Automotive pristine leather condition by clicking that link in the description right now. Not only can you both open and close the front trunk without ever leaving this truck, but you can also press a button to open up your tailgate as well. We got abundant door panel storage in both the front and back doors. You got 2 buttons to open your trunk on this pickup truck. One to drop down the tailgate completely, and another one to drop down your actual tailgate within a tailgate to really get a full vibe. On the side of your center console, you got even more storage space. Now, this key fob on the back end, that joint look kind of fly and kind of cool, and I think it fits the price tag, but the front ain't got no seasoning or sodium up in that meal. We're gonna have to put a little stank on that thing. You got a center console storage space that's retractable both forward and backwards. It has 2 cup holders with storage space, and under that, you got even more storage space with a wireless phone charger, 2 USB-C charging ports, and a 12-volt charger as well. We got a leather-wrapped armrest that's real comfortable on that elbow meat, 2 cup holders behind it, and inside the armrest, you got a ton of space with a USB-C charging port. You got a Super Cruise feature integrated within your steering wheel, and it's wrapped in leather. Oh yeah, and that thing's even heated. Now, your climate controls aren't just integrated in the infotainment screen. You got your very own analog climate controls as well. And between those two, you're gonna get a lot of fingerprints on them things. So you're gonna make sure you go and get your Barrett's Automotive Exceptional Interior Cleaner by clicking that link below in my description. Not only do you got a crispy heads-up display with a high resolution, you got a digital gauge cluster to match it as well with the legendariness. And you can even reconfigure that joint from 5 different digital layouts. Your infotainment screen looks damn good and even has a high resolution, and it's intuitive and easy to use. But it has things such as Google Maps, your media, Amazon Music, Spotify, vehicle status, tire pressure, energy info, trip, camera angles, and charging details as well. Not only will you be just as comfortable back here as you are in the front seat, but you also got a few things like 2 hanger hooks, 2 kangaroo pouches for storage behind the front seats, 2 reading lights, 2 climate vents, 2 USB-C charging ports, 2 heated back seats, a house-inspired plug, and a leather-wrapped armrest with 2 cup holders. Now, these back seats can be lifted up from the buttocks area for storage convenience, of course, and the back of the seat can even fold down to access the rear trunk bed for even more practicality. But get this, you can even remove the rear window completely if you want to, or just crack that thing in case you want a little bit of fresh air because it's getting a little stuffy in here. Now, since this pickup truck is good on-road and off-road, this joint's gonna get dirty a lot. So you wanna make sure you get your Barrett's Automotive Fantastic Wash and Wax and that sensational shampoo to make sure you keep your whip just as clean as this one is. Click the link below in the description. Now, that's everything I think you need to know about the 2026 Chevy Silverado EV Trail Boss in just 5 minutes.